In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet link. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the steps to ensure you're sharing the right content with the right people. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to head over to your Smartsheet account, whether you start from your workspace or the home page. Logging in seamlessly gets you to Smartsheet, marking your first step. Once you're logged in, it's important to decide which specific sheet, report, or dashboard you want to share. With that in mind, open the item that you intend to share with others. This preparation ensures that you have the exact content ready to be shared, minimizing confusion later on. Now that you have the sheet or dashboard open, move your attention to the top navigation menu. Here, you'll want to click on the File option. From the drop-down menu, select Share. Simple, right? This action will bring up a pop-up window, which is the central hub for managing your sharing options. In this pop-up window, you have a couple of different options. You can directly invite people via email. To do this, simply type in their email addresses into the provided field. But don't just stop there. Be mindful to carefully input each address to avoid any mistakes. It's also important to set their permission levels based on how much access you want them to have. You can choose from options like Viewer, Editor, Commenter, or Admin. Selecting the right permission level ensures that each person can do exactly what they're supposed to do and nothing more. This is a handy feature if you're concerned about maintaining control over the content. If you're looking for a quicker option to share the sheet, Smartsheet has got you covered. At the bottom of this same pop-up window, there's an option labeled Copy Link. Click on this to generate a shareable link. This link is very useful, especially if you're sharing content with a group all at once. However, keep in mind a critical point here. Only people who have a Smartsheet account and have been shared to the sheet can access the content through this link. So be sure that everyone you plan to share with has set up their accounts appropriately beforehand. And that's the entire process. Sharing via email or by a link is an efficient way to manage collaboration, making sure the right people have access to the right information. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video has helped demystify the process of sharing Smartsheet links. Happy collaborating!